we are at Antojitos. We never eat here before, but we are trying this out for you guys. Here's a menu. They don't give it to you as a paper form, but this is the menu. So just pause it, that way you can take a look at it. It is raining outside, so we can't say hello, hi, and welcome, but hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We're out of Nebraska. We're here in Universal. This is our last day, and we decided to get some lunch. This is the menu. So these are the appetizers, I believe, yep. And then we have our soups and salads. And then we got our specials. And we're probably gonna get the chimichanga. Oh, enchiladas. I'll try. We have a Cabo taco. We have tacos here, street style tacos. And then enchiladas and fajitas. If I'm going, no, I haven't looked. I know I may be going fast, but please, by all means, go pause it back at that scene. That way you can look at everything. And these are all the drinks. So we'll let you know. Amber says the salsa is really good so far, so we'll continue on. So I got the fajitas, carne fajitas, and here they are. It looks really good. And it comes with the fixings. You got guacamole, cheese, lettuce, sour cream, salsa. I ordered rice, it doesn't come with it, and you get 3 tortillas. They don't look homemade.
I got the enchiladas verde. Comes with rice and beans. Doesn't look good.
So we're checking in. Amber is tearing this up. I even gave her a piece of my my carne asada. And she said, or whatever. Oh, just carne? Okay. And she goes, this is really good. I'm making another one. Let me just say, I think this place is a hell of a lot better than Frontier. You agree? Now Frontier was good, or is good, if you're in Disney Springs, but we're at City Walk, so this place is really good.
Yeah.
I like it. Well, we're done.
Why are you at an angle? Look, oh my goodness. No, I'm talking about what?
Well, we're done. It was really, really, really good.
It was really good. I was not expecting that at all.
No. Actually, I had no expectations, honestly. I didn't know what to expect. But I'm glad we stopped here. But we were looking at a place to eat. And we're like, what do we want to make reservations? Like, we looked at the menu, like, okay, let's try it out. And we did. I'm glad we did.
It wasn't bad pricing. You do get an annual pass holder discount.
So we spent $58 with discount and tap.
Yep.
Yep. But yeah, it is really, really ugly out there, so that's why we're under the canopy. Sorry if the music's a little loud, but we had a really good time. Our waitress, our server was awesome.
It was really good.
She was really good. They kept on giving her tables, though.
She was running back and forth. She did really good.
Yeah.
They open at 3 o'clock, and they're open till 11.
And they're really organized, too. When they opened up, they had reservations on one side, non-reservations on the other. They took care of us first, and then they went to another people. So it's pretty cool. Really well organized. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like,
now
comment.
Now we have to go walk it off.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and the bell notifications. We're going to venture out in the rain. I hope I don't melt. I know Amber might, but we'll see.